Real numbers. This video talks about the different types of numbers that make up the real number system. What are real numbers? Real numbers are basically all numbers that are not imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers are a special type of numbers used to represent the square roots of negative numbers. Real numbers must have no imaginary unit I, which is defined to be equal to the square root of -1. Examples of real numbers are 3, square root of 2, pi, -1/4, and 0.56. Examples of non-real numbers are -5i, 10 plus 2i, and 3/7i. Now let's take a look at the set of real numbers. Real numbers consist of the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Under the set of rational numbers are the integers. Under the set of integers are the natural numbers. Let's start with the natural numbers. Natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. These numbers are primarily used for counting. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The integers consist of the natural numbers together with their negatives and the number 0. This include -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. A rational number is a ratio of an integer to a non-zero integer. A number is rational if it can be expressed in the form r is equal to m over n, where m and n are integers and n is not equal to 0. Examples of rational numbers are 1/2, -3/5, 47, the non-terminating 1.333, and 16 over -1. The decimal form of a rational number is repeating. For example, 2/3 is equal to 0.6666 with repeating 6. 1/2 is equal to 0.5000 with repeating 0. 157 over 495 is equal to 0.3171717 with repeating 17. The bar indicates that the sequence of digits repeats forever. If a decimal is not repeating, then it is not a rational number. Irrational numbers are the opposite of rational numbers. They cannot be expressed in the form r is equal to m over n, where m and n are integers and n is not equal to 0. Examples of irrational numbers are square root of 2, pi, and 5 over cube root of 7. The decimal form of an irrational number is non-repeating. For example, square root of 2 equals 1.414213562373095 and so on. Pi is equal to 3.14159,265 and so on. There is no repeating digits. If a decimal has repeating digits, then it is not an irrational number. So that's it for an introduction to real numbers. On the next video, we will talk about the properties of real numbers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.